Welcome to part 3 of this video series about avoiding mistakes and getting the most out of the Swiss train timetable. I'll take you on a journey from Basel to Interlaken. A dot means you'll need to switch to a different train. So we have several options with one switch and several direct trains. The trip duration is shown here. All trips take about 2 hours, so in this case, switching trains doesn't add much travel time. When I click on a travel option, I get the platform numbers. We're departing from platform 8, then in Bern we'll arrive at platform 7 and depart from platform 8, and finally we'll arrive in Interlaken Ost at platform 7. You can avoid crowded trains by checking the estimated occupancy. The symbols with 1, 2 or 3 travelers indicate quiet, moderate and high occupancy for first and second class. But that's just for the whole journey. If you dig a little deeper, you'll see the details. Here you can see that it's really just the last train that might be crowded in second class, but that's only a 20-minute ride. Note that occupancy estimations are not always available. The icons for each train tell you which services to expect on board. This train has a restaurant, for example, and it also has a quiet zone where talking and phone calls are not allowed. This R means that it is possible, so not required, to reserve a seat. Reserving seats is uncommon in Switzerland, by the way, because trains are frequent and you can hop on and off as you please. You'll find more on that on our website. Only a few popular tourist trains like the Glacier Express require advance reservation. Next time, in part 4 of this series, I'll show you how to find even more trip details, like intermediate stops, where to find first and second class, and route and station maps. Do you check these features when you travel? Let me know in the comments. See the links in the description for the simple version of the timetable and updated tips and tricks.